I have a little secret. I do something that keeps me healthy, strong, energetic. It's a little thing called PEMF. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy supports the regeneration of various cellular systems, which could be a preventative tool in managing health conditions. People use it to manage pain, arthritis, injuries and fractures, post-operative recovery, diabetes, heart disease and inflammation, and the list goes on. As I'm not suffering from any conditions, I'm using it as a complementary tool to enhance my self-care routine. Today's protocol is to help reduce inflammation and to improve circulation. It's non-invasive, pain-free, there are no side effects and no known adverse effects. I just lie down on this bed, relax for an hour, meditate as I'm going through my session. And of course, I do my gentle feet exercises while I'm here, why not, right? You might recognize this room. This is called the Nally Lounge. It's dedicated to my sister, Nally Agustin, who thrived with cancer for a good part of 9 years. This is Professor Toy, he's the genius behind this technology. And I do personally believe it helped my sister live her life with cancer with more energy and vitality. I mean, if you knew Nally, you knew she was a ball of life. And this is something that she promoted all over her page and has become a big part of my self-care journey. I invite you to read the description and visit Clinique Neuro-Vie Sante, talk to Mr. Toy, it might help you too.